So sometimes I get questions about what do I mean by the term irrational. I use it all the time. And there's a couple of definitions, and we can think about a few of them. The first definition of irrationality is something that violates the basic axioms of economic theory. Basically, the two axioms are that preferences are complete and transitive, and there are many examples that show that these two axioms don't hold. That preferences can be incomplete, and that preferences can be intransitive. That you could pick A over B, you could pick B over C, so A over B, B over C, but nevertheless pick C over A. Anyway, so that's kind of the economic version of what's rational, and we can show that that doesn't hold in some cases. But the kind of the definition that I care about more is the definition that says that being irrational are the cases where we think we will behave in one way, but we actually don't. And the reason I care about this is that those are the cases in which people are likely to make decisions. If you think to yourself that when you'll be sexually aroused, you'll behave one way, but actually you'll behave a different way, there's a good chance you will not prepare yourself for that situation. If you think that when the market will crash, you will behave one way, but you'll behave another way, again, this is the opportunity. If, for example, you don't understand that when conflicts of interest will be upon you, when the forces of conflicts of interest will be there, you will be influenced by them. Again, you might think you will not care about these forces, but you actually will. And all of those cases I care about, again, not so much from the violation of rationality from an economic perspective, but because those are the cases in which people have a wrong lay theory about how they themselves will behave, and because of that, they can make a mistake.